Hey guys, we're out here on a early morning Mother's Day salmon fishing trip. One of the first trips of the year here, and we got a triple on. Brent and his group's here. Looks like it's going to be a good morning. Perfectly flat, nice sunrise. Brent's hooked up. Oh. Yep, we got 5 going here. Yep. Hey guys, I can only be on for a second today.
Awesome.
Fish on, rigger. Fish.
Come underneath. Yep, over the top.
Hey guys, back again for just another second. Wish I could show you more netting here, but we got another 4 on. It's hot and heavy here.
Keep going. Lift up. Keep going.
One in the boat. We got a couple more coming. Let's see if we can get it on here. Yep, lift up. Good job. Another nice Michigan King. Hey guys, Kinn Sport Fishing here. We're hooked up. We got 3 going again. Seem to be running in pods today. We get 1. We get anywhere from 3 to as many as 7. And hopefully these 3 stay on. This will fill up our limit here for the day. As you can see, it's perfect, flat calm.
7:30 in the morning.
7:30, and hopefully in about 5 minutes we're going to be filled up.
Crank down, give me a good crank, lift up, back up. Nice job.
What do you think? Would you recommend a trip out here?